Hello, my name is Keren. Currently, I'm completing the Digital Technology Solutions degree apprenticeship, and I'm working with NatWest. My role is as a business analyst. In my day-to-day would consist of kind of looking at the website and seeing if there's any updates or improvements that we would like to make and move into production. I'd say tech, I was always interested in that industry, just the way it was growing and seeing information online about it. A lot of the schools and education systems, they kind of push uni, but there was never really alternate options or routes that you as a student could choose. I just didn't see how I would be able to apply it to the real world. So I think there was a gap for me. And so I realized that I kind of liked working and applying that practically. So I knew my learning style was like, I think it's kinetic, I think it is. It's like basically practically doing things. And so I knew this didn't suit my learning style, but apprenticeships combined that aspect. So I chose to go down that route. There wasn't any particular experience they were looking for, and I didn't really need to have any technical knowledge. The main experience they kind of valued was things that I've experienced in the past, so whether I'd volunteered or working in a team with my colleagues, or if I worked a job beforehand, all those transferable skills like communication, organisation, teamwork is kind of what they were looking for. The biggest advantage of doing an apprenticeship for me has been the hands-on experience that I've gained through working in a company and also learning alongside. And I found that the learning directly links to what I'm working on, to my hands-on, my job role, essentially. I've been able to work in an industry I would have never worked in if I was at uni. All the people that I've met along the way as well, who are also in my position, even the finances, like before I would have been in debt because of uni, but now I've actually have financial freedom almost, and I can use my money however I want. The key thing I've learned is that you're always gonna have to learn something. So you're never gonna be stagnant. You're always gonna be growing, developing, learning something new. And you never know what, challenges is gonna come like from the next stage. You're always a work in progress, I'd say.